To us, my students, today we are the second lecture 2 class or lecture 2 or second periods of chapter is your unit and dimensions. The subject is physics. So now we are expressing about in lecture 1 we are describing about what is unit, what are the types of unit, what is physical quantity, what are the types of physical quantity, that is fundamental quantity and derived quantity, what are the different types of unit, that means fundamental unit, derived unit, how many types of fundamental unit there are, that means 7 types of fundamental unit there. That means I am telling about everything in these times. Now we are discussing about what are the systems of unit. What we are discussing, that is we are discussing about system of units. So when we are going to system of unit, that means various types of units are used in our walls. So what are the units and what are they we are expressing. When system of unit are describing our system of unit, at that time three main important characters are there. One is your length, second one is your mass, third one is your times. What are they? First one is your length, second one is your mass, third one is your times. According to three fundamental units, we are derive the system of unit. So according to length, mass and time, by utilizing the length, mass, time, we can find out the system of unit. What are they? First one is your CGS systems. Second one is your MK systems. Third one is your FPS systems. Fourth one is your SI systems. So what are they? First one is your CGS system, second one is your MK system, third one is your SI system, fourth one is your FPS system, fourth one is your SI system. Next we know what do we mean by CGS. C for you remember, this is centimeter. What is the unit of length? When we are measuring length in case of CGS unit, we are using centimeter. At that time mass can be calculated by grams. Have you doubts? No. That means length can be measured by centimeter and mass can be measured by gram. Time can be measured by seconds. So that means this type of unit is also known as France unit system. That means this unit can be derived from France. Yes or no? That means in case of CGS system, length can be expressed by centimeter and mass can be expressed by gram and time can be expressed by second. ता माने हमें length टाकू centimeter रे मापिबा, mass टाकू gram रे मापिबा, time टाकू second रे मापिबा. Yes or no? Yes. Like this, what we mean by MK system? That means M for meter, K for kilogram by kg, S for second. That means MK system of unit means length can be measured by meter, mass can be measured by kg, time can be measured by second. ताले जदि तो MK से मापिया पाई को how you can measure length टाको तू मीटर रे मापिबू, mass टाको तू kg रे मापिबू, time टाको तू कोउथि मापिबू रे बाबा सेकंड रे मापिबू. ताले एटा को को सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट होइबी एटा डिराइव इन फ्रेंच. How it is also called French unit system. It is also called French unit systems. Next one is your FPS. What do you mean by FPS? A for foot, P for pound, S for second. That means you should remember, in case of FPS system, this is called British unit system. This is British unit system. This unit system can be derived or can be found out by Britishers. That means length can be measured by foot. You should know. गाँ गहली रे सब मेजर करूचे देखो बुढ़ा बुढ़ी माने कोथरे ना फुट रे कोंती. Yes or no? That means these are called foot or feet. Like this. Mass can be measured by pound and time can be measured by second. There is a question will be right. Which unit is common for both MK, CGS, FPS and SI? You should remember the unit is known as second. Is both common for every system of unit. This is called system of unit. So what do you mean by SI systems? SI means you should remember system of international unit. By international system of unit. System of international or international unit system. That means what is the use? There are so many unit system in our hand. तामने मो पाखरे केते unit system थिला देखिलो बाबा CGS अछि, FKS अछि, MKS अछि, FPS अछि, तापरे भी मो SI system अछि. तो what is the use of SI system? Ba what is the advantages of SI systems? That means to solving the unit problem. That means जदि हम डे टू डे बा टाइम टू टाइम वेरिएशन करिवा स्टेट टू स्टेट कंट्री टू कंट्री, that means unit system should be changes. So how can the problem can be solved? That means the problem can be solved by SI system. That means all world can be used one unit system. That means all world can be used one unit system. That is called SI unit system. Have you any doubts? So why we use SI system? That means to solving the unit problems. Because day to day life or time to time, when the person will be traveling from one state to another state, other state to other state, that means at that time there is a unit problem will be there. To solving this unit problem, we are using SI unit system. Have you any doubts? No. Next one is after going to the unit system, we know in our school times. What are the school times we know? That are the matrix prefix unit system. That means everything should be converted in terms of meter. That means in case of length, it should be converted to meter. Various type of unit are there in case of length. That means we know decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, micrometer, nanometer, picometer, femtometer, everything you know. That means everything are the unit of length, but we are converting into meter. Like this, we are measuring volume. This is you will be converting into liter. This means these are the standard unit. Means deciliter, centiliter, milliliter, microliter, nanoliter, picoliter, femtoliter. Like this way. These are the units. Like length, mass in case of kg. These are the standard. Next one is your positive part, another one is your negative part. Means one is your lower side or smaller unit system, another one is your bigger unit system. How can it will be converted to standard unit system? You just see. I am telling you what are the unit system now. I am giving an example of length. Other thing you can be do. Length one I am telling you decimeter. Decimeter means how much meter? This is 10 to the power minus. Yes or no? If this is also the unit of length. You know unit of length is meter, but this is the smallest unit length. Decimeter. Next one is your centimeter. You know centimeter means 10 to the power minus 2. Means these are converted to standard form is your meter. Everything should be converted to standard form meter. Decimeter to be meter, centimeter to be meter. Means smaller unit to a standard unit converted to meter. Next one is your see decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. You know millimeter. Millimeter means 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Means 1 millimeter equal to 10 to the minus 3 meter. Next one is your micrometer. Micro means 10 to the power minus 6 meter. Decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, micrometer. Next one is your nanometer. Nanometer means 10 to the minus 9 meter. Next one is your picometer. Picometer. What do you mean by picometer? This should be equal to 10 to the minus 12. Next one is your femtometer. Femtometer. 10 to the minus 50. So have you any doubt what are these things? Means these are the unit. These are the also unit of the length. Means standard unit is meter, but these are the smallest unit of length. That means decimeter also the unit of length, centimeter also the unit of length, millimeter also the unit of length, micrometer also length. Like these are the unit of length in form of smaller unit of the length. Means we have converted this thing into standard form, that is converted to meters. Have you any doubts? No. Now we are going to standard form is meter. We are going to higher form of the length. How we can just see? Means higher form you just see. You know, use this decameter. You know decameter. This is the higher form of meter. This means 10 to the power 1 meter. Before we are telling about micro unit, now we are telling about macro unit. What is the difference? When we are calculating smaller thing, at that time we are using micro unit. When we are calculating larger unit or larger length, at that time we are using macro unit. These are the macro unit of meters. These are the, before I am telling, this is smaller unit or micro unit of length. Next one is your hectameter. Decameter, hectameter, 10 to the 2 meter. Then you